In this video we will learn how to crochet a frog bookmark. Looking so cute! You can use this frog for bookmark in your book. Make 9 braid stitches for the body. Crochet 8 short stitches in the penultimate stitch. Hook a standing needle. Flip the knitting piece and hook 8 short needles. Each row has 8 short stitches crochet. Make a length according to your needs. Each row has a standing pin. Hook up and disconnect. For foot, make 10 braid stitches. Crochet 4 needles. Make 5 more braid stitches. Crochet 4 needles. Crochet, make 5 more braid stitches. Crochet 4 needles. Hook 5 pull-out needles in the remaining stitches. 4 in total. For mouth, circular cast-on with 6 short stitches. Tighten the thread and pull it out. Stand up and hook the second circle. Hook 6 groups of short stitches. In the third round, hook 1 short stitch and add 1 short stitch. Repeat 6 sets in total. The fourth round, hook a short stitch. A short stitch plus a stitch. A short stitch. Repeat 6 sets in total. Round 6, hook 2 short stitches first. Hook 2 more long stitches. Crochet 4 more long stitches. Hook 2 more long stitches. Crochet 4 more short stitches. Hook 2 more long stitches. Crochet 4 more short stitches. Hook 2 more long stitches. Hook 2 more long stitches. Pull out and cut the thread. The diagram of the white of eyes and the eyelid is printed on the screen. Tongue, 10 braid stitches. Crochet 3 short stitches. Hook another extraction needle. Crochet 5 more short stitches. Now assemble time. Please like the video and subscribe our channel. Bookmark frog is complete.